This is grade 5 maths, chapter 1 shapes, concept 1.2 nets and views of solids. In this chapter, we are going to learn about 2D and 3D shapes, nets of 3D solids, and views of 3D shapes. Now, entering into the topic 2D and 3D shapes. So plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. Here we can see square and rectangle. So first of all, know about square. A square has four sides and all the sides of a square are equal, and a square has four vertices also. Next, let us revise about rectangle. In a rectangle, it is also having four sides, and in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and a rectangle is also having four vertices. Next, revise about triangle. A triangle is having only three sides, and a triangle is also having three vertices or corners. We can call vertices as also as corners. Next, know about circle. A circle is a closed loop. It does not have any sides or vertices. We can take the example of circle by 1 rupee coin or any round object. So, solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. So, a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. In a plane shape, we have only two measurements, length and breadth, but in a solid shape, we have another measurement, that is height. So, here we can see one cube, and a cube has faces, edges, and corner or vertices. So here we can see some of the solid shapes or three-dimensional shapes. See here, some objects are there. These are all in the shape of a cuboid. So let us know about cuboid. So a cuboid is having 12 edges. Here in the figure you can see 12 edges, and where the three edges meet, those are called vertices. So in a cuboid there are 8 vertices and 6 faces. So here we can only see 3 faces and other 3 faces are hidden. Here we can see only front face, top face and side face. So let us take an example of cuboid as book. So let us see here faces. Here we can see top face, bottom face, front face, back face and 2 side faces. So every cuboid is having 6 faces. And here see some objects. These are all the examples of a cube. Here we can take a die with which we play, and ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box and gift box, all are examples of cube. And a cube is also having 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Next, we are seeing the objects what we will use in our daily life, and these are all the examples of a cylinder. These are all the examples of a cylinder. So, what is a cylinder? So, a cylinder is also having two curved edges, and it is having three faces, for one curved face and two flat faces. Here in the picture we can see three faces, one curved face and two flat faces. Next, here we can see the objects. Those are all in the shape of a sphere: football, globe, orange and cricket ball. And a sphere is having only curved face. It does not have any edges or vertices. Only it is having a curved face. Next, see here some objects are there. These are all the examples of a cone: a top, joker's cap, sharpened pencil and a funnel. And what is a cone. So a cone is having one vertex and one curved edge and two faces. One is curved face and another one is flat face. So a cone is having two faces, curved face and flat face. These are all about three-dimensional or 3D shapes. So now let us know about nets for building 3D shapes. So what is a net? A net is a sort of skeleton outline in 2D which when folded forms a 3D shape. Or in other words we can say as the 2D framework of a 3D solid is called its net. So first of all let us take an example of one cuboid and let us know about what is a net. So here when a cuboid is unfolded, that means the 2D shape of a cuboid will look like as shown in this figure. So here two blue faces are the side faces and the two yellow faces here 5 and 6 here these are the top and bottom faces of a cuboid, and the two green faces are the front and back faces of a cuboid. And here for 1 2 3 4 rectangular faces heights are equal, that means it is their breadth. And for 5 and 6 5 and 6 breadths are equal. Why? Because those are opposite sides are equal in a rectangle and here these breadths are equal. So when a cuboid is unfolded, the net will be like this. It will be having 6 rectangular faces. Now let us unfold this type of box. It will form a cube, and when a cone is cut in the middle, the 2D framework of a cone will look like this. And next, cylinder. A cylinder when it is unfolded, it will be having two circular faces and one rectangular face. Now let us take an example of cube, and here we have taken two cubes and one is for reference and one is for opening. That means when it is unfolded, how the 2D framework of a cube looks. So first of all here we are opening the top face, next front face, afterwards we have to open the right face, afterwards there are two faces left, back and left. First open the left face and afterwards we have to open the back face, that is purple face. So when a cube is opened like this, it will have 6 square faces, and this is called the net of a solid, and here it is called the net of a cube. So here when it is opened and it is laid flat, we can see all the 6 square faces and it is called two-dimensional figure. And when we look from the top view, it will be the orange is the right and blue will be the top face and green will be the front face and black will be the base, and next purple will be the back face and red will be the left face. And it is opened all the faces along its edges. Next is there is another cube also there. If it is opened, it will look like exactly like this. So let us open and see that cube how it will be looking when it is opened into a 2D framework. So here also first we are opening the top face, next we are opening the front face, afterwards the right face is opened. Next there are only back face and left face are remaining. So first open the left face, after that we are opening the back face. So here it is opened into a 2D framework. So when we will see from the top view, it will be looking like this, and here we can clearly observe that the two 2D frame networks are different. First one is different from the second one, and these two are called the nets of a solid or nets of a cube, but they are of different views. views of solids. Here we have to write top view, front view and right view of these solids. Here we are taking cubical box, and when we are seeing from the top view of that cubical box, the top face is of square and it is brown in color. And when we are seeing the cube from the front face, we can see the green colored square box and it is of in the shape of a square. And when we are seeing it from the side view or right view, it is of yellow colored square box. So when here we are seeing top view, front view and right view are all of square shape, and they all are in different colors. So next we are taking 4 cubical boxes of different colors, and we are going to write top view, front view and side view or right view of these solids. So here we are taking 2 red colored cubical boxes and 1 yellow colored cubical box and 1 blue colored cubical box. So we have to differentiate the top view, front view and side view or right view of these solids. So when we are seeing from the top, we can see one yellow colored square shape box, and below that one red box is there, but the top view we cannot see why the yellow cube is covering it. Next of yellow we can see one red colored square box, and after that we can also see the blue colored box opposite to the red colored square box. So we have to draw the blue colored box. So when we are verifying, it is absolutely correct from the top view. And next we are going through front view. So here it is the front view and that is the right view as shown in the picture. So when we are seeing from the front view, first of all we can see the red colored square box on the bottom of that cubical box. So after that, in the above the red color square box, we can see the yellow colored square box, so we have to draw yellow. Next, from the front view we can also see the blue colored square box beside of the red colored square box, so we have to draw blue color face. When we are verifying it, it is also absolutely correct. Next, when we are seeing from the right side or the side view of the solid, we can clearly see the red colored box on the top, yellow colored box, and beside that we can see the blue colored box. So it is also absolutely correct. Here we can clearly observe that the front view and right view of the solids are same. So these all are about views of solids. Thank you.